Hi friends, I'm gonna go in with my banana souffle all over to keep my face hydrated. Is it too early for red nails? No, right? It looks so cute. Super soft mini. I'm gonna go into the Glow Radiant moisturizer on top of my souffle because I want my face to be extra hydrated. I go with the BB cream so that I can get a little bit of color on my face, not a lot, just a little bit. Go with the Color Pop concealer and add it under my eyes all the way to my nostrils, right here. To finish, I am gonna finish the sample from Max Fix Plus. I am gonna spray it all over and then go in with my blender. I do have pressed powders available, linked in my small business friends. It comes with the mirror and then the pressed powder. I'm gonna go ahead and add it, tap the excess out, and then blend it in. You already know my favorite everyday bronzer that is super loved. Slowly adding it here and then around my forehead. Alright, eyebrows today I am gonna go into the Color Pop eyebrow pencil, and then I'm gonna go in with my favorite concealer palette to clean out outside. For blush, I am gonna go into She's It, and I do have these blushes available in my small business friends. They are so good and they smell super good and they are very pigmented. It's lip gloss season, so I'm gonna go into the natural luster that I do have available in my small business. The wand is super thick and is a lip plumper as well. Just a little bit goes a long way. Mascara, I'm gonna go with the Ceramide pink mascara that I also do have available in my small business friends. You definitely need it. And that's the final look, friends. Bye friends, I'm off to karate.